Hi everyone, in this video we will discuss how to write IELTS Writing Task 2 Advantages and Disadvantages Essay. About advantages and disadvantages essay. In writing Task 2, you will be asked to write advantages, disadvantages essay. Your essay consists of 250 words minimum. You will be given a question asking you to give your opinion and discuss a problem or issue. You could also be asked to provide solutions, evaluate a problem, compare and contrast different ideas, or challenge an idea. In this post, we will be focusing on how to write an advantages and disadvantages essay. In this part, you can see advantage and disadvantage essay structure. Structure including of 4 parts: introduction, body 1, body 2, and conclusion. In your introduction, firstly, you should paraphrase the question. Next, introduce the specific advantage and disadvantages that will be discussed in the main body paragraphs. Also, your main body paragraph 1, you should introduce the disadvantage. This will be your topic sentence. Afterwards, you should explain and give detail. In the last, you will prove your opinion with example. In your body paragraph 2, you should introduce the disadvantage. This will be your topic sentence. Afterwards, you would explain and give detail. In the last, you will prove your opinion with example. In the last part, you should summary of the main points. So, you should write what you think were the most important pros and cons. This writing task 2 structure has been proven to be successful for my students, and when perfected can easily help you to achieve a high band score. In this video, some tips have given for you to jot down. Tip 1. Before you start writing, plan your ideas so that you can organize the information clearly. You must decide what the main advantage and disadvantage are. Take 5 minutes and plan out your ideas, opinions, and examples. Tip 2. It's very important that spend a full 40 minutes on this task, as the score you get for writing task 2 is 2/3 of your total writing score. You also need to write a minimum of 250 words and use your own ideas. Tip 3. Remember to write in a formal tone. This is an academic essay, therefore your writing should be formal. Paragraph structure. Paragraph 1. The introduction. This is the introduction to the essay, and where you should start off by paraphrasing the question. Do you understand what I mean when I say paraphrase the question? This means that you rewrite the question in your own words using synonyms. You can just copy the question again or use the same words in the question. paragraph and show off your vocabulary knowledge by using synonyms. When practicing your essay writing, use an online teachers to help you. This is a great tool and can help you to learn many new words. Then your next sentence should introduce the essay. This will tell the examiner exactly what you will discuss in the main body paragraphs. For instance, first of all, in this essay, we'll discuss. Furthermore, this essay will discuss. There are two sentences you need in the introduction. Paraphrase the question. Introduce the specific pros and cons that will be discussed in the main body paragraph. The following words are often used in essays which discuss advantages and disadvantages essay. Positive points: advantages, benefits, pros, arguments in favor, a positive effects. Negative points: disadvantages, cons, drawbacks, arguments against, negative effects. 2. Main body paragraph. In this paragraph, you should describe the main advantage. Start the paragraph by introducing the main advantage. This is where you need to have a topic sentence. The next sentence or sentences should explain going into detail. The third sentence should give an example that support the advantage. The example you give could be something from your own experience or made up. It's okay to make up something, as the examiners want fact. Check your information. They want to see your ability to use English at a certain level. You could make up an example from the report, journal, newspaper, or university study. This is how the paragraph should look. First of all, introduce the advantage. It's your topic sentence. So, explain and give detail. At least you give an example your examiners. Paragraph 3. Main body paragraph 2. In this paragraph, you should write about the main disadvantage. Start the paragraph by introducing the disadvantage. This is where you need to have a topic sentence. The next sentence or sentences should explain going into detail. The third sentence should give an example. The example you give could be something from your own experience or made up. It's okay to make up something, as the examiners want fact. Check your information. They want to see your ability to use English at a certain level. You could make up an example from your or other report, newspaper, journal, and university study. This is how the paragraph should look. First of all, you should introduce the disadvantage. It's your topic sentence. So, You should explain and give detail. In the last, you should give an example. Paragraph 4, the conclusion. In the first paragraph, you should write the conclusion giving a summary of your main points and say what you think were the most important pros and cons. You shouldn't enter any new ideas or information in this paragraph. You can end your conclusion with a balancing statement that tells the reader why one side is better than the other. For instance, using words like outweigh, balance out, compensate for, exceed, or and make up for. You should summarize of the main points.